sign of safety right there.
They do. Don't look back. It's a good spot. All those are
You
gonna go
just
wide.
missed that one, man. You went right over the top.
Right into the water.
Maybe I should stop walking with my shoes up instead of walking with my shoes on this side.
There's one.
Oh yeah, he's coming at you.